Hello, this is a quick tutorial video to show you what a lesson plan for Boss's Healthy Buddies nutrition education resource looks like. Today we'll pretend that you're a second grade teacher, so we will go to the website and click on second grade lessons. And we're going to pretend this is our first time teaching the Boss Healthy Buddies lesson, so we're going to choose the first one, which is why is it important to be healthy. After you have taught these introductory 4 lesson plans, then you can choose any of the other lesson plans in any order. When you click on the lesson plan, it's going to pull up a PDF file that you can print. And this is going to always start out with a list of the objectives, the state standards, the activities, sort of a summary section on the left. And then, just like any lesson plan, you'll have dialog boxes to engage your students, to explain what the learning outcomes are. Here, our activity for this day involves reading a story and then creating an ending to that story about what Boss does next. At the end of this lesson plan, there's a handout that you can print with the writing prompt and lines for the students to write the ending of their story. When the students have completed writing their stories, there's a wrap-up section where you can have them share their stories. And then this lesson has a Boss's Backpack Bulletin. A Boss's Backpack Bulletin is a way to engage the students outside the classroom and to let families know what they're learning at school. This particular Boss's Backpack has them keep a log of 5 ways that they tried to stay healthy this week. It even gives some Boss's bonus points and suggestions of ways that they can stay healthy. That's it. It's pretty simple. It's like most other lesson plans that you've seen. It's reinforcing a state standard as well as providing nutrition education for your students. Thank you for watching.